Welcome to my channel, Musina.
Hello everyone, this is Chef Mark. In this video, you are going to learn how to make cassava cake. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos and click the notification bell to be updated when new videos are up. Enjoy, bakers! And here are the ingredients for our cassava cake. 7 cups grated cassava, 3 1/2 cups coconut milk, 1 can or 395 grams condensed milk, 1 1/4 cups sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup young coconut strips, 1/2 cup melted butter, and optional yellow food coloring. For the topping, 1 can or 400 ml coconut milk, 1 can condensed milk, and 1 cup sugar. Serving size, 2/2 aluminum pan or 1 full pan. And let's start baking! Initin ang oven ng 350 degrees Fahrenheit o 175 degrees Celsius. Ihalo ang lahat ng sangkap maliban sa 1/2 cup melted butter at haluin ng maigi. Pagkatapos mong haluin ang mga ingredients, pwede mo nang idagdag ang yellow food coloring na optional. Pwede na ninyong idagdag ang 1/2 cup melted butter at muling ihalo ng maigi. Pahiran ng mantika ang inyong pans para hindi dumikit ang cassava niyo pag luto na siya. Ilagay na ang cassava mixture sa pan at pwede na ninyong isalang sa preheated oven. Bake for 1 hour. Okay, gagawa na tayo ng custard topping. Haluin ang lahat ng ingredients. Kung gusto ninyong mas makapal ang inyong topping, i-double lang ninyo ang recipe. After 30 minutes, gawin mo ang tinatawag kong jiggle test. Pag gumagalaw pa ang mixture, hindi pa siya ready. After 15 to 20 minutes, check mo ulit, gawin mo ang jiggle test. Kung hindi na siya gumagalaw, gawin mo ang toothpick test. Kung luto ng cake, pwede nang idagdag ang topping mixture. Lutuin ng 20 minutes or hanggat kumukulo na siya. Pag kumukulo na ang topping, iset mo ang oven to broil ng 550 degrees Fahrenheit. I-broil ninyo ang cassava for 1 minute. So tip, habang nagbo-broil ang inyong cassava sa oven, bantayan ninyong maigi kasi madali lang siyang masunog. Okay, ready na ang cassava! Enjoy! Smells good! Lami kayo, bye! Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And please share our videos to your friends.